Hi, you're back here. Nice to see you guys again. Today we're going to take you to Northwest Africa. We're going to be making a very special dip. We're not making a lot of it because a little goes a long way, but this dip is so spicy and will liven up your soul. You can use it as a dip on its own, or you can use it for other kind of ingredients if you want to have it with aubergines or so on. For now, we'll just make our main dip, which is harissa. So let's go to the kitchen, get started on making our harissa. It's gonna be green in color, just to warn you, but it has green chilies or jalapeños, whatever you can get your hands on. It has spinach, it has parsley. It's just a bursting flavor of all of these different ingredients, spices, herbs, you name it. Let's go get started and make this awesome dip. Right, as you can tell, I'm terrified of fresh chilies, so I'm going to use a glove for this. I'm not going to intimately de-seed it. I will simply cut off the parts with the seeds. Now, if you add the seeds, you need to be careful not to chew them and break them in your mouths, because chili seeds are known to cause a plethora of issues, including appendicitis and things like that. So avoid the seeds. Even if you don't have an appendix, try to avoid the seeds because it will make it from hot to very hot. So now we will add the spinach, baby spinach. So this is half a cup of baby spinach. I will then add the half cup of parsley. Moving on to my other herbs and spices. So this is my selection of paprika, cumin, cardamom, ground coriander, and salt and pepper. I will add it all here. And now for the garlic. And last but not least, I'm adding my orange juice, my lemon juice, and my olive oil. This is now ready to be whizzed. Let's see how the consistency looks. Perfect. So our indication of good harissa will be that it's very spicy. For that, I have coconut milk behind the scenes waiting in case I need it. I'm gonna have it with a low carb keto Yummzy bread, and I would recommend when you have it with something high in protein, but this is high in protein because it's almond flour. I'm gonna enjoy it now. Actually, it's so good. It's so good. I love the outcome. It's very spicy. I like spicy food, but I'm not a very spicy food person. This is great. You can probably see my face going red. Very healthy ingredients, great for the metabolism. You will love making it. As you saw, just added everything in, whizzed it all together, and boom, it's ready. You can try increasing the quantities and doubling them or tripling them, and that way you can have something nice, perfectly healthy sauce, no preservatives or anything. Have it in the fridge and just enjoy it over a week or 2 weeks. Enjoy, guys. Okay, I need the milk. This is so hot. So good, but so hot. Maybe somebody call 911, guys. I'm dying here. I need more milk.